After the first three blockbuster races in Formula One 2020, the fourth round of Formula One headed towards Great Britain at Silverstone Circuit from 31st July to 2nd August. Before the race at Great Britain, the Racing Point racer Sergio Perez was tested positive for COVID-19, and as his replacement, Nico Hülkenberg would race at Silverstone. These are the results of qualifying session. Just like the race at Hungary, the first row was logged by the two Mercedes of Lewis Hamilton and Valtteri Bottas. Max Verstappen starting on third, Charles Leclerc on fourth, Lando Norris on fifth, Lance Stroll on sixth, and Carlos Sainz starting on seventh place. The two Renaults of Daniel Ricciardo and Esteban Ocon starting on 8th and 9th position respectively, with Sebastian Vettel on 10th, Pierre Gasly on 11th, Alexander Albon on 12th, Nico Hülkenberg on 13th, and Daniel Kvyat starting on 14th place. George Russell on 15th and Kevin Magnussen on 16th place. And the two Alfa Romeos of Antonio Giovinazzi on 17th and Kimi Raikkonen on 18th place, with Romain Grosjean on 19th and Nicolas Latifi on 20th place. Before the start of the race, Nico Hülkenberg's engine could not fire up and he was unable to start the race. At the start of the race, it was a very close and neck-to-neck start by all the racers. And at the last turn of the first corner, Alexander Albon's front left tire collided with the right rear tire of Kevin Magnussen, and Kevin Magnussen went spinning away in the barriers and he retired from the race, and the safety car was deployed. And because of that collision, Alexander Albon was given a 5 seconds time penalty. During the 12th lap, there was a puncture to the right rear tire of Daniel Kvyat and he went spinning away in the barriers, and there was a huge damage to his car and he retired from the race, and again the safety car was deployed. During the safety car period, Lewis Hamilton was complaining that the safety car needs to speed up. Similarly, Charles Leclerc was also saying that the safety car was going so slow. When the safety car duration ended, Antonio Giovinazzi was given a 5 seconds time penalty for infringement of safety car. During the 41st lap, Valtteri Bottas said on his radio that his car was vibrating and the vibrations were getting worse. Carlos Sainz was also complaining about the vibrations on his car. During the 40th lap, the front wing of Kimi Raikkonen's car broke and punctured the front left tire, and because of that puncture, Kimi Raikkonen's car went spinning away. At the start of the 48th lap, Valtteri Bottas was on second place and Max Verstappen was on third place, and Valtteri Bottas was almost 7 seconds ahead of Max Verstappen. But during the start of 49th lap, Max Verstappen covered almost 2 seconds on Valtteri Bottas, and Valtteri Bottas' car was vibrating more and more. During the 50th lap, Valtteri Bottas went wide at turn 3 as there was a puncture to the left front tire, and because of that puncture, Valtteri Bottas lost many places. During the 51st lap, Max Verstappen made a pit stop as he was targeting an extra championship point for the fastest lap of the race. During the 52nd lap, Carlos Sainz also got a puncture on the left front tire of his car, and the complaint about vibrations by Valtteri Bottas and Carlos Sainz turned into a puncture. During the 52nd lap, Lewis Hamilton said on his radio that something happened to his left front tire also. At turn 8 of the last lap, Lewis Hamilton's left front tire also got a puncture. It was the last lap of the race, and Lewis Hamilton's speed was decreasing and Max Verstappen was gaining on Lewis Hamilton. I will try to show you that how the distance between Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen was decreasing turn by turn. So, here comes the Silverstone circuit. At turn 9, Lewis Hamilton was 32.9 seconds ahead of Max Verstappen, and that's where he got the puncture. At turn 10, distance between them was reduced to 31.5 seconds. At turn 11, it was 30 seconds. At turn 12, it was 29 seconds. At turn 13, it was 26 seconds. At turn 14, it was 23 seconds. At turn 15, it was 16.4 seconds. At turn 16, it was 12.6 seconds. At turn 17, it was 9 seconds. At turn 18, it was reduced to 7 seconds. And at the checkered flag, Lewis Hamilton won with just 5.856 seconds ahead of Max Verstappen. Oh, what a final lap of the race! No one would have thought of three racers getting punctures on their left front tire in the last three laps of the race. And the race leader, Lewis Hamilton, also got a puncture on the last lap and almost lost 27 seconds in it. Oh, what an amazing end of the race! These are the results of the race. Lewis Hamilton winning the race on three tires, with Max Verstappen finishing on second, Charles Leclerc on third, Daniel Ricciardo on fourth, Lando Norris on fifth, Esteban Ocon on sixth, and Pierre Gasly finishing on seventh place. Alexander Albon finishing on 8th, Lance Stroll on ninth, and Sebastian Vettel finishing on 10th place. It seemed that Valtteri Bottas will finish on second place, but after a puncture during the 50th lap, he finished on 11th place and George Russell finishing on 12th place. Carlos Sainz, after a puncture, finished on 13th place and Antonio Giovinazzi finishing on 14th place. Nicholas Latifi finishing on 15th place, Romain Grosjean finishing on 16th place, and Kimi Raikkonen finishing on 17th place. And there were DNFs in front of Daniel Kvyat, Kevin Magnussen, and Nico Hülkenberg. Max Verstappen also won an extra championship point for the fastest lap of the race. Till the 50th lap, it looked like it will be an easy Mercedes 1-2, but because of the puncture on front left tire of Valtteri Bottas, he finished on 11th place, and Lewis Hamilton somehow finishing on first place. After this win, Lewis Hamilton broke Alain Prost's record of most wins at home Grand Prix. Lewis Hamilton till now has won 7 times at Silverstone Circuit, which is most by any racer at his home Grand Prix. He has won British Grand Prix in years 2008, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2019, and in year 2020. After the end of the race, Max Verstappen's teammate was also saying that Lewis Hamilton is a lucky boy. In all, it was an amazing day for Lewis Hamilton as he won the race with Max Verstappen finishing on second and Charles Leclerc finishing on third place. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and do share your suggestions in the comment section.